you wear. I like that. Earlier in the week, we had that kind of, heat where it wasn't sticky yet. Today, we're there, and it's going to stay there. Tomorrow, it'll be there this weekend too. Don't worry about it. So let's go ahead and take a look outside. We are looking at some sunshine as we look over DFW Airport, 97 degrees. You can see it there at the top, but it feels like 100 degrees when you factor in that humidity. And our air quality, we've talked about this the last couple of days, but I'm telling you about it again because it has been extended to include tomorrow. So we have an air quality alert for Friday. This is due to high levels of ozone. High levels of ozone lowers the air quality. We're actually 2 steps below good air quality at the orange. That's unhealthy for sensitive groups. Sensitive groups meaning groups with respiratory issues. So if you are in that group, make sure to limit your time outside. We're also watching the potential for storms. We had some storms yesterday. We've seen them develop again today. Radar is glitching a little bit out near Abilene, but I'm going to take you in and show you how we're going to see a lot of that dissipate here in the next couple of hours. Any development that we see at this point, it's not going to last long, and we are going to see it really dissipate. And overnight, clear skies expected. Now tomorrow, because of the high humidity, because of that heat, we're going to see the potential for a few more isolated thunderstorms to pop up, but it's going to hold off until the afternoon. And let me take you through the day tomorrow. Mostly clear. Look at this. Friday, I'm going to take you all the way to about 6 in the evening. That's when we start to see maybe an isolated thunderstorm popping up southeast of DFW. That's where we also find our temperatures in the low 90s for tomorrow afternoon. DFW really slim to no rain chances for tomorrow afternoon. That's why we make it to 98 in Dallas, 99 in Fort Worth, maybe a few triple digits across our western counties, and that's it. Here's the deal though. We have that ridge of high pressure strong over areas of the Four Corners. Out west is where we find the excessive heat warning, but over the next couple of days, we're going to see that high pressure expand to include North Texas. That's why our temperature has a decent chance of making it to 100 early next week. The closer that high gets to us, the harder it is for rain to develop in our area. So that's what we're going to see as we approach Sunday. But if we see rain over the weekend, it's going to be most likely along our southeastern counties where we have some of that sea breeze moving in from the Gulf. Temperatures, though, the next several days will be trending 2 to 3 degrees above normal for this time of the year. I think early next week when that ridge of high pressure pushes in, we could see 100-degree, and that'll be maybe Tuesday. Let's look ahead, though. Next Thursday, I'm optimistic about some rain. I had to show you something good, right? And this is what it could look like Thursday into Friday. As of now, I have about 20% coverage come Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday of next week. This will likely change. This is just one model showing this right now, so I'll make sure to keep you posted about it early next week. But for tonight, dry, warm, humid, light winds in place, low of 77 degrees. Tomorrow, 98 degrees. We have about 10% coverage of rain, mainly to the southeast, hot, humid with those light winds in place. And again, we repeat the forecast for Saturday and for Sunday with high temperatures in the upper 90s. Look at these lows, though, into the 70s, upper 70s at that. Yes, it's considered warm for this time of the year. And again, we could see triple digits early next week. Then we're looking at the potential for rain that I did show you come late next week into the weekend.